Nobody else said nothing to the youth who got an opportunity to speak with him. But you have to come publicly, like you're super straight than nobody. And what did them catch your brother eat for a burger? And the amount of things your name call upon. Ask a whole heap of rankers vexed. I know say a whole heap of rankers in them feelings when IShowSpeed come out here and get the recognition. Whole heap of rankers. Whole heap of rankers it born. You never hear Able Boss rate the man yet until the man come at Jamaica. You see Able Boss? Able Boss is a little you know who, it's a little me. You see the lady with name Able Boss? Me telling you something about she. It's when time she knows say IShowSpeed so come here. She had a whole heap of good things about IShowSpeed. You see, Uno, me telling you something about Uno. You know, say Uno go through, Uno want to be like IShowSpeed and would never introduce the man on the platform. Uno walk and depict the man. I say, no for Uno. No for Uno, because a long time I show do this. I say, no for Uno. I try for like, I go like a phone creation. And no for Uno, I say when I hear Able Boss talk about the man, my stomach sick, I want to vomit pan Able. I want to vomit pan Able, you see. When I hear Able Boss talk, hear me, watch bad mind. He might talk good in and him no mean it, you know. He might talk good and him do me watch dirty Able. So you get popular now to our market. But they talk good about him and a long time when I walk and watch the youth. And that's why the whole of them gonna build a streaming room. All of them gonna build a streaming room because we not follow the Americans. Yeah, we not follow the Americans. All of them. That's why I say I understand the world dog I say. But the whole of them sit down and chat the same thing. How Jamaican people receive foreigner. When we saw it go, when we go other places, people receive us and them receive we good. So let us treat others well because we want the same reception. And what we not do, what we not talented? Just asking. We not creative? We not to be talented. You guys are creative. You know how long when they on the internet to cause chaos? You know how long when they get opportunities to create avenues and areas. You understand me? When they struggle across the world. Look how long when you see world dog, you're in a position for that because when you come on the internet, you come for thief. You know, send the barrel on over the crooks them. You understand me? Not pay round robin you show. So all you mean say when you did have how much people move your dirty teeth in, say bad mind in you. I never want to tell you, I didn't want to pick up for you. I can't hold it. I cannot hold it. I gotta let it go. I gotta go historic. Look how Jamaica is an historical place where you guys got the opportunity to do something with TikTok and all I do is manipulate TikTok. You remember me tell you now? So when I made the first man I know come on the internet and say there's a level of deception, there's a level of manipulation, a demon of deception, a demon of manipulation. I remember I not check pandemic, but nevertheless, we not forgot to draw back too far. Come here, world. What have you done since you've been on the app? Where you use your name and do? When you did a run things, you use your name and collect money from everybody. You know? Out of ill will. Alright, fine. How far has that gotten you? It get you right where you have to complain over somebody. We're coming in your country and make a name and them never make a name in your country. They make a name for themselves, which part them are come from, for them country. You understand me? And they took the opportunity and the bravery of starting something. Now wanna idolize overseas people to the point where you wanna bad mind them. You understand me? No! Berlina, it's true. When you did in on the pumps and the prime, when Abel did that make a name on the app, he was Robin Louise. Nobody act like Abel him forgot him a security guard that Batman him used to hold. And it's just fair. No mind of them own. So you see how life works. is, you see, film creativity force people to know him and welcome him. That's the difference. That's why when I come on the net and I tell you, say, you guys are not talented. No one understand what I mean. No one understand what I mean. That is why you can't sit on your sound course, because the country never accept you yet, world dog. No country never receive you yet. So when we're talking about stars pan stars, stars among stars, you have to stay in your bed. You can't join the conversation, because none of on the app is not a star. You're not talented, you're not gifted, you're not even educated. I mean, no, this a reach whole heap of one and a bun, no. The man talent don't stop on TikTok. That is the problem. When me always tell you, say TikTok like tomorrow morning, nobody can remember say Una did star. You never know, because we have nothing to offer to the world. IShowSpeed still are going to go all over the world. You have to go see him on YouTube, because people are going to make channel off of him. But what gift you guys have? Time for tell you now. We don't have no talent and we get up every day and want people for Lord no more than one deserve. It cannot work. It cannot work. We're going to try our church on the app world of church. And you chat IShowSpeed and you want to come with church. And one thing we're famous enough to tear down each other. That's our gift. When we see all Valiant, the whole of them, a clout chaser, the whole of one, Popcorn, the whole of one a clout chaser. Number one, Popcorn, you shouldn't even talk to him from you see him a bum in a man lap. You shouldn't even have it for say you carry him, papi. A clout here look, and it's just the truth. Popcorn, to how you talk, we never expect you. You see him along with him tongue on a regular, and then you see him do some things. Popcorn, you shouldn't do this, so. You Valiant, the whole of una look clout. A clout, the whole of una look. That's why I couldn't pick up who is Yendi. Because she's not important to his stream. Duh. It's just the truth. She's not important because you guys don't know him. Or not know him. You see him react to the people, I mean, the small businesses work better. You notice when we react to the KFC workers, the party workers, you know, or we react to everybody on the street, better. Because him sense the energy, the frequency. So him deal with them better. Because they know him. If you look on the man have to fight for good now, please. I don't know it too, I don't see it. He don't understand nothing when I talk to him, but because you guys are not his friend, we're not named peers. At downtown, and if I let him go downtown. Yeah. Downtown, me say from the youth reach downtown a danger. Let him out right here, sir. The Wall Street Europe. You see Akeem a walk downtown, nobody not look at Akeem say IShowSpeed there. Akeem a walk downtown and give her money and can't get the recognition. Osh. Can't relate to them, baby girl. Let me tell you about art. Let me tell you about real celebrities. So when you see some of them artists that go overseas and them in them big hotel and you see them a walk with the executive, it's boring. Trust me. Been there, done it. It's boring. You see those trips, you get nothing for your career. It's when you go on trips and you go downtown and you meet the rural people them. Chef kiss. Ask anybody about me. Me not like executive. Give me my dirty people them. Me not like a business me I do. Yeah, the company by the show I have to meet everybody in the globe and we're going to have dinner. Me I stay home. Me feel bad. Me I stay home because I can't pretend. Me I stay home. Shebada not coming out tonight? No. He's not feeling well. Yeah. I can't take for go nowhere to pretend. Remember me vulgar, me raucous. Excitement and nice, but if you have never been on tour, you would know. No, like, I can't stomach them. Me not tell a lie. Mr. Speed enjoy himself better other places. Jamaica is not his most enjoyable spot. Him enjoy himself better elsewhere. The only thing me glad him give ratings to our KFC. Nothing more. Nothing more. But him enjoy himself better. Even when him a dance, him look tired and beat up because him seem bored. When you're bored, you know, you're easily tired. It's true. Him seem bored. Him seem more focused, like too much rules and regulation. Seem like him have to be conscious of where him a do or him a move. There's no freedom. He was caged. This was never it for Speed. This was never it for Speed. Him never get to be him true self. This was never it for Speed. Never. Yeah. Yeah, him know him could be himself. Him know him could be himself. That's not Speed. And anybody who follow up Speed, you see, anybody who follow up Speed would have known. He was never being himself, and nobody don't come and talk because they were glad, they were happy. Him could be himself. Sarcasm, him could be himself. And from morning, me embarrass, me tell you, say me embarrass, me mean me shame, me vex. Can me say, who put popcorn close to me and know say popcorn is a handicap? Popcorn is a handicap and is an illiterate man. Popcorn illiterate. Popcorn walk with the most man them behind him. And you go tell the brother don't long out him tongue and don't know bombing. And then you walk with the most man them behind you. Them hear bad things about Jamaica already and don't just add fire to fury. Some of them people have to stay them yard. Some of them people have to stay them yard, man. The youth supposed to dying for leave. Me not ask you. Secretly I'm supposed to dying for leave. I wouldn't mind Speed don't come back here. No, for real, I wouldn't mind Speed don't come back here. And anybody who are planning for vacation here, I wouldn't mind them don't do it. It's true. It's true. We are a bad representation. Our representative. Exactly. Papi and Drake are friend and Drake talk same name girl like crazy. And Papi and Drake are friend. The level of hypocrisy and bad mind. Bad mind. Yeah. The youth that make wave is young. And Armand could have pick out his no tongue, no bombing. The youth was going to the rhythm of the hand. The youth have a father will love him. And a father that grew him. That's why I'm good with meal. You see when the meal them rap, him good with meals. You understand me? It's Speed that even saw it that was our worth. He's not looking anybody. On a bad representative man of the country. On a ugly the flag. That's why I'm not buying nothing for Jamaica. That's why anytime I say Jamaican products, it's ugly to me. It's a bad representation. Can't forget I have 2 dozen seats somewhere. When the youth feel comfortable, understand say a theme thing that enough producer, enough promoter, it that was our word. And only in the studio with them, I drink and I smoke with them and I rap with them and I eat with them. And all of them yard gun yam. Enough of that go on. But because that no videotape, I don't forget with the hypocrite bottom. On the bottom hypocrite. On the bottom hypocritical. See, because I've been to other countries and them welcome me, you understand me? And let me say this to you. I know how to conduct myself. Everyone knows how to conduct themselves. They go along with the rhythm. You understand me? I'm not the only person in Jamaica who have been other places and people receive them with open arms. No, you have to show respect. You have ways in which you do things. And you cannot overdo things. You cannot reprimand someone in public, especially if the event has nothing to do with you. Popcorn is not the star. Popcorn have them the following the when it comes to the youth and Popcorn, no one knows Popcorn. Nobody don't know Popcorn. When it comes to the youth and Popcorn, you talk about knowing. Nobody know Popcorn. Who know Popcorn are the regular people? I wish party go buy Obia, a Ghana. Nobody know Popcorn. Nobody no know him. It's just fascinating how we act a particular way. We act bigger than our gifts. We act bigger than our knowings. Nobody don't know him. The youth is bigger than popcorn where recognition is concerned. Nobody else said nothing to the youth who got an opportunity to speak with him. But you have to come publicly, like you're super straight than nobody. And nobody them catch your brother eat for a burger. And the amount of things your name call upon. Ask the girl, which name IK Leela. I don't even know her name, you know. You're not the fittest candidate for tell nobody about their mouth. And it's just the truth. That's very disrespectful of you. And it's not right. Me not tell no lie. Nobody never asked. Go represent the police, them a St. Thomas where I look off your function. And then if you go reprimand. Sad. It is sad. And then when them done, them go and let them have the quorum. That's why me not chat to none of them, you know. That's why me not chat to none of them and go amongst them. Because them are the worst set of bacteria. Them are the worst set of bacteria. Honestly. The youth never come for meet no official.